Are we recording? I think we're recording. I'm just doing some picture editing right now. I can't really tell you what I do and how I do it. I just go with the flow, to be honest with you. And as long as it just looks right, you know, then how can I ever be mad? I'm really liking this new update for Lightroom and just the whole Adobe software. Oh my God. And this is going to get rid of all the noise that you may see in the background. Yes, yes. Shout out to everybody that's been rocking with me since day one. And if you just tuned in, man, you're gonna have to stay because it's not what you think. I don't just do tutorial little videos. This is a tutorial. It's a walkthrough. That's what we'll call it. A walkthrough of how I get done, or how I get stuff done. I hope everybody had a great 4th of July. And I hope that everybody popped a lot of fireworks, drank a lot of beer, and a lot of hornitos. You dig? I stay away from that stuff. I don't drink beer. I drink malt liquor. That was tight. So this upcoming Monday, we're headed to Colorado to go film some podcasts, a music video, and a few commercials. I will try and get some behind the scenes with my phone, but it's just gonna be me, so I don't really have that much just besides the camera, and that's it. So I feel like the behind the scenes of what I'm trying to do is just so much editing. Like, dude, sometimes I get tired of being in front of the computer. People just don't understand that. Okay, I like this. That's pretty cool. Looks pretty dope. Turn up the clarity just a little bit. I want to keep like the whole blue aesthetic going on. Not really adding a vignette because Facebook I really didn't need one. What if anybody wants to know where I'm at, where this was filmed at and taken at? This was filmed at Cash Hills Recording Studio down here in Las Vegas, Nevada. If you're an artist, my man is the truth. He's the truth. Shout out to him. Shout out to P5, the artist right here. He did his thing. Recorded a banger. Damn. think it looks pretty cool. What y'all think? Yeah, I feel like y'all just gotta agree, because what else would you not? I forgot how to read like the scopes. I remember when I first started to video edit, I had to take this class. It was like After Effects 2 or something like that. So like my freshman year, my sophomore year in college, at 4 days, my teacher was actually one of the co-founders, or I don't even know. Only thing I know is that he helped design and create After Effects. So, but he was like teaching us everything on like how to do everything and stuff like that. It was pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of thought he was a hater though. Only for the simple fact, because I just felt like, nigga, my videos are way harder than everybody else's in the class. But there was this one dude, boy, his shit was on point. I liked his videos. I kind of thought he was the best one in the class. But I always feel like I just always did my own thing though, you know? No. Let's go to the magenta. Scoot it back. Yeah, I think that's pretty solid. I'm just messing with knobs to see what looks good and what doesn't look good. Yeah, so where's this picture at? Is this it right here? Okay, now we're going to export this. Why did I just press that? Boom. We just successfully have retouched up another photo. Glad you guys could join me in on this one. It's been 8 minutes. I will see y'all here soon. Hey, if you made it this far, shouts out to you. For the next video, I will have way more information in a little bit of time, but here's the picture. Hopefully y'all like it. Let me see what y'all come up with next.